Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito mo, may nagaganap na pasabog sa Senate Session Hall ngayon. 'Di ba? 11 lang ang minority. At ang Brave 13 senators hindi nag-attend kasi nga baka agawin ng minority ang iba't ibang committee chairmanship. At ito na nga nangyari. Mayroong isang dumating na senador, membro ng Brave 13, si Senator Escudero, nag-attend sa hearing. So lumalabas, si Escudero bumaliktad na, sumama na sa minority, kaya 12 na sila ngayon. Kaya ito, mga Senate President pro tempore, si Gatchalian na. Sino pa? Basta, ang hindi na lang napalitan ay ang Senate President at ang Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman. Ito, pakinggan natin ang nangyayari ngayon.
Provided they are in, composed of Senators J.D. Harrison, Francis Pangilinan, and Rafi.
There are any objections. The chair gives none. The motion is approved. Senators J.D. Arcito, Francis Pangilinan, Rafi Tulfo, and Charles Gumbo,
Committee chairmanships.
Committee of the Senate, to inform the President of the Republic of the Philippines that the first regular session of the 20th Congress is ready to adjourn immediately.
Ay, yan na. Adjourn na.
And just for clarity, the TS resolution before your
Adjourn na. Mag-adjourn na.
3, 4, 3.
Ana, nauna ako ha. Jeez, nauna ako ha. Kayo ko lang, mas makantay na.
Why your deleted before we adjourn? Allow me to give few remarks. Before we adjourn, ladies and gentlemen, the chair will
Sorry, patawarin mo.
for the record that we are compelled to call the session to order today. After the Senate adjourned on May 26, 2026, session was scheduled to resume on Monday, June 1, 2026, and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances. Further, Article 6, Section 16.5 of the Constitution provides that neither House shall, during sessions of Congress, adjourn for more than 3 days without the consent of the other House. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President pro tempore, and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order. The quorum of 12 is based on majority of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained by the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avelino versus Cuenco that an absolute majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for quorum purposes. And with President, specifically the May 5, 2015 session, where the quorum was based on 17 available senators, with 7 others beyond the Senate's coercive jurisdiction. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the clarity, Mr. President. Mr. President, let the record reflect that the Chair, Senate President pro tempore, shall serve as acting President pursuant to Rule 5. Presiding officer of the Senate pursuant to Rule 5, Section 4C and 5 of the Rules of the Senate.
Presiding officer. Sorry?
Pursuant to our rules, the wording is actually acting President.
Acting.
Just for the record, Mr. President.
Is there any objection?
Acting sa acting Senate President. Acting SP.
Mr. President, I move
SPPP.
the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the House of Representatives be informed of the election of Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. I so move.
Is there any objection? Being none, the motion of the majority leaders hereby.
Mr. President, I move that the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate be adjourned, Seated.
Is there any objection? The chair is none. The motion is approved.
Gatchalian, gaya ng inyong narinig, siya ang inihalal ng kanyang mga kasamahan sa Senado. 12 na ang nasa grupo ni Senator Tito Soto nang dumating si Senator Chis Escudero, si Senator Win Gatchalian ang acting Senate President o Senate President pro tempore. Okay. Alam ko yung walang session. Ang plenaryo, ang 12 miyembro na
Yun. Yan na po ang kaganapan sa Senado, no? Biglang dumating si Senator Escudero, lumalabas na umalis siya sa majority at sumama na sa minority, kaya naging 12 na sila. Ang grupo ni Senator Cayetano, ano na lang sila? 10 na lang. Tama? Dahil wala si Bato, wala si Jinggoy. Tapos lumipat siya, no, 10 na lang. Kaya ito, I don't know how will Senator SP Cayetano, dating SP Cayetano, will react kasi napalitan na siya. Acting Senate President si Gatchalian, at the same time siya ang Senate pro tempore. So yan po ang kaganapan sa Senado. Yung mga different committees nakuha na rin sa grupo ni Soto. Hindi ko lang sure yung Blue Ribbon Committee hearing, Blue Ribbon Committee parang hindi nabanggit. Walang na-elect na bagong chairman. Ang pagkakalam ko, correct me if I'm wrong, si Senator Pia Cayetano pa rin ang chairman sa Blue Ribbon Committee, and I believe sana nga tuloy pa rin ang hearing bukas dahil wala namang sinabi na ay nako, grabe. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Tulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talanding ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na ni ang atop sa natagaan na mo og gero. So dako na gid kayo ang mga buslot. So ang diri dapit luag na gid kayo ang buslot. So mao na ni ang among gihatag nga yero nga mag-atop karon. Grabe kagapok ng yero.
Yang magiliw.
Ay ko yang kalugi cari. Ug karon naman na gyud sa pag-atop ang among ginahatag nga yero. So napulihan na gyud tong mga daot nga yero.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga natabangan gid ko sa sin nga akong giatop kay kini nga akong atop kinsin na gid katuig. Salamat gid kayo sa yero.
So kadtong imong atop call nga mga buslot na 15 na to siya katuig so bago pa napulihan.
O wag pa gid napulian sa sin nga inawang sa yeah. Kung wala pa tabang so di pa gid ko kaatop. Salamat gid sa tabang nga sin.
Salamat kayo call.
Salamat.